Welcome. In front of me is a Realme 10 and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. Now before we get started, you want to grab one of these things, a SIM eject tool, which comes provided with the device in the box, though it would typically look more like this. So one more thing, if you can't find that little tool, you can use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now once you have some kind of way of popping out your tray, take off the cover if you have one on your phone and locate the tray, which is located at the top left side of the phone where the pin is holding right now. Push it in, there we go. And as you can see, the tray pops out ever so slightly. Once you take it out, you have space for two different SIM cards, so you can use both at the same time. I'm gonna be using one though, and from there I also have space for SD card. Each spot being dedicated to the card. And once you have placed your cards, you can then carefully insert it back into the device. Carefully, because as you can see, there's nothing really holding these cards, so if you just bump it, it might come out of it or just get misplaced. If the tray isn't going into your device relatively easily, don't try to force it. Just make sure the cards haven't come out of it a little bit and are getting jammed. Once you insert the cards, they should start working right away. So I'm gonna turn off airplane mode because it's gonna be impacting connection, and there we go. As you can see, LTE right away. And let's see if we have anything about SD card. Nope. Let's look in the settings. There we go. So you can see we have the SD card right at the bottom, so it also detects it without a problem. So this is how you would insert your cards into this device, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.